Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Healthy Lifestyle. I'm your friend Aparna, and just nowadays whenever I talk to my friends, family members, relatives or even office colleagues, they keep talking about one thing, which is Corona of course. And अब तो it's too hot, इतनी लू चलती है बाहर and people are having fever, hay fever and rainy season gonna come pretty soon. So everyone is so scared that mosquitoes will gonna increase, diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya gonna come back. So एंड एक तो जो हम बहुत ही बड़ी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं कोरोना, उसको तो भूल ही जाओ, उसको तो साइड में ही रख दो, वो तो अलग ही ये चल रहा है. सो दे कीप आस्किंग अबाउट वन थिंग दैट हाउ वी शुड बिल्ड आवर इम्यूनिटी लेवल. कैसे हम इन सब चीज़ों से फाइट कर सकते हैं. Increasing in immunity is not like a one day job, or it's not like that you're having one tablet and that everything will be okay. It's like a lifestyle you need to follow. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about few things. I mean few fruits or drinks which you can include in your daily diet, and that can definitely help you in boosting your immunity. I want to share my experience, my knowledge and things which I consume, or rather I should say the diet which I follow to keep my immunity strong. So let's get started. Let's talk about some super cool drinks which I have on a regular basis, and the first one is nothing better than water. Seriously.
I make sure as soon as I wake up, I drink 3 to 4 glasses of normal water. See, रात के डिनर के बाद आपने अक्सर ये नोट किया होगा कि हम कम पानी पीते हैं, so that we don't have to go to washroom again and again after going to bed, or also so that we can have a better sleep and then when we sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Now, if you could recall your school books, वहाँ पे भी इस बात का जिक्र था that a human body is made up of 70% water. So when we wake up in morning, हमारी बॉडी पूरी तरह से डिहाइड्रेटेड होती है, मुंह सूखा हुआ होता है एंड बहुत डाउन या लेजी फील कर रहे होते हैं.
I can understand initially it won't be possible for you to have 3 to 4 glasses of normal water at one go, but at least you can start with 1 to 2 glasses and increase it further with time. Definitely you're gonna see a change in yourself.
The second one is lemon plus honey in lukewarm water. A lot of people drink red tea or coffee to freshen up or to charge their bodies. But I think having lemon in lukewarm water is 100 times better than that. If you can't drink just lemon like me, then you can add some honey. It's not only helps in alleviating constipation but also effective in melting fat, clear acne and flush out toxins from the body.
Now, some people says they can't drink lemon water and they have issues like tonsils and chronic cough like my mom has. So they can skip lemon water and have other drinks which I'll be sharing next. Now there are other two favorite drinks of mine which I have every day: vegetable juice and coconut water.
If we talk about vegetable juice first, so it's always good to have seasonal vegetable juice like these days. You can have bottle gourd, यानी कि घिया और लौकी, beetroot, amla, tomatoes. Beetroot and amla are usually available in winters, but these days both are easily available in the market. The second one is coconut water. It again has lot of benefits. Basically both of them, I mean vegetable juice and coconut water, fulfills the daily requirements of nutrition, vitamins and minerals in your body. They detoxifies your body, improves your heart health and also keeps other main organs of your body in good health.
Lastly, especially for summer season, जब लोगों की बॉडी अंदर से बहुत गर्म रहती है, तो you can have these drinks जो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगी, and you can have any time during the day.
You can have सत्तू का पानी, गोंद का तीरा, बेल पत्थर का जूस यानी कि वुड एप्पल का जूस, लस्सी या बटर मिल्क, होममेड ठंडाई या आम पन्ना. These all keep your body cool.
Now the second one is first meal of the day. Breakfast. Since this is the first meal of your day, it should be the most nutritious one with full of vitamins and minerals. I personally prefer fruits, and like I said earlier also that one should have a seasonal vegetable juice Same goes with the fruits as well. We should always consume seasonal fruits, and my mantra is to consume at least 5 fruits in my breakfast. 5 fruits. I'll only talk about the fruits which are good in summers or which I prefer consuming in summers.
My rank 1 fruit is papaya. Papaya strengthens your metabolism, boosts your immunity, helps in weight loss, improves digestion, prevents signs of aging, etc. 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 So, in short, all I want to say is it's the best fruit or meal to start your day with. The next one are muskmelon and watermelon. These two are the best hydrating fruits which have a lot of water content. They also control your blood pressure as well as improves heart health. Since they are good with water content and also lowers inflammation, so they are really beneficial for your skin and hair. The third one is mango. It's a low calorie fruit with high fiber and a great source of vitamin A and C, zinc, calcium and iron. So it promotes healthy gut and facilitates healthy digestion. So guys, when you have strong gut and digestion, it automatically boosts your immunity. The next fruit is banana.
Guys, if you still need reasons as to why you must include bananas in your diet, here are some incredible health benefits which are associated with this curvy yellow fruit.
Bananas are loaded with a lot of fiber, potassium, iron, vitamin C and other important nutrients which improves heart health, digestion, regulates BP and helps fighting anemia. It's a good source of energy which promotes healthy teeth and bones.
So this is one of my favorite fruits which I must have during the day. Other than the ones which I've just mentioned, there are other fruits as well which we get especially in the summer season, which are equally good and have lots of benefits. Likewise,
you can have chikus or lychees or maybe mosambis which are known as sweet lemons. Now the third thing which we're gonna talk about are nuts and dry fruits.
nuts and dry fruits. गाइस, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कई बार लोगों को बोलते हुए या बड़े बुजुर्गों को बोलते हुए दैट वी शुड नॉट ईट nuts and dry fruits in summers cause eating them in excessive amount can result in excessive body heat and जिसकी वजह से pimples या rashes आ जाते हैं body पे या supposedly कोई और problem हो जाती है body में. But in actual, we can eat nuts and dry fruits at any season. It's not harmful. In fact, eating dry fruits in summers is actually beneficial as it helps in boosting energy. But of course, we should eat them in moderation and अगर हम soak करके खाएं तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
During night आप almonds, walnuts, dates, raisins soak करके रखें and have them in morning. Raisins आप अलग से भी soak कर सकते हैं and you can drink that water as well in morning. It's really good. And there is another way as well. If you don't like eating nuts or dry fruits, you can crush them and add them in your oatmeal or dalia or shakes etc. जो भी आपको पीना पसंद है.
Now the last one is chia seeds. Why I am talking about this separately because this is my favorite energy booster which I like to have in summers. वैसे तो chia seeds को consume करने के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं, but I personally like to have it in simple normal water.
I usually soak chia seeds in the glass of water for at least 2 to 3 hours and then drink it. Other fun ways are like including them in your oatmeal, shakes, smoothies, juices, maybe homemade bread or cakes or yogurt etc. There are many different good ways that how we can consume this great gift of nature. One thing that I really like the most about this tiny seed is that it's an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and are rich in antioxidants, which help raising the HDL cholesterol, which is actually a good cholesterol that protects against heart attack and strokes.
So guys, मैंने इनकी छोटी सी कोशिश करी है आपको समझाने की कि किस तरह से हम अपने ईटिंग हैबिट्स में थोड़े थोड़े चेंजेस करके अपनी इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ अपनी आउटर बॉडी के ही नहीं बल्कि हेयर एंड स्किन के साथ साथ अपने इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को भी स्ट्रेंथन एंड क्लीन रख सकते हैं. वो अक्सर कहते हैं ना, जब तक दिल जवान है तब तक आप जवान हैं. वो एक्चुअली में सच कहते हैं. So if you like my suggestions then please try to include them in your lifestyle. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो then please share it with your friends and family, please. And also press the like button, subscribe my channel and hit on that bell icon ताकि जब मैं कोई नया वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. See you soon in the next video and तब तक stay safe, stay healthy, bye and thank you so much.